Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers on the Jeep Wrangler JK. Okay, so this setup is a little bit different. A lot of times, and this one has it, you'll see like a lever right under here. It's hard to get. But first, I'll show you why we're replacing them. As you can see, this wiper is all falling apart. My daughter, Brenna, the camera girl right now, this is her Jeep. This is how far Brenna let her windshield wipers go. This isn't supposed to happen because it can scratch the windshield. You want to be able to see in the rain when you're coming home. So what we're going to do is, this has a little cover over the arm, this particular wiper. It was a little hard to get it open, so I got a little pocket screwdriver, flathead. So you can open the little lever right there. So what you want to do is, there's a little lever under here. Can you see that, Brenna?
Yeah.
All right, so there's a little lever. You want to push down on the lever with one finger. Kind of pull forward like that, and it will release the wiper blade. And I'll show you this up close right here. Here's the lever. You got to press down right in there. Here's a new wiper blade. A lot of times you'll have a setup like this, and this one has a little bit different of like a tab. So you're going to press the tab, and that'll release it. Now when you're putting it on, this Jeep has like a hook set up. So you can see the hook like that. It literally just slides in. So you put the arm in through, and then you pull the wiper arm towards you, and you can feel it click in. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's in there, and the arm, the windshield wiper blades against the windshield. Let's go to the other side. All right, so same kind of deal. I'm gonna open the little tab, hit my lever right here, and this will release the wiper blade. There you go. Got my new blade right here. It's gonna feed the hook through. I just felt it. You could hear it snapping. Wait a minute. There it goes. All right, now it's clicked in. We're good to go. Gently put it back on the windshield. You don't want to let it flick down because you don't want to break the windshield or anything. That's about it, guys. It isn't that hard to do. Now Brenna can see again. She's driving down the road and she's not going to scratch the windshield and say, "Hey, Dad, I need a new windshield," because that's usually the way things work around here, right? So don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment if you got a question, and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys.